Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and I'm going to go over today some different ways that you can try to fix any problems you might have with the way that your Discord is trying to connect to the Discord server so that everyone can hear you. This can be problems with your connection, it can be just the issue with a server somewhere that Discord is currently having hiccup. There's a whole number of ways, and we're going to try to look at a few of those right now. Now, the first thing that you can do is you can go to each individual channel that you're currently having a conversation and hit edit, and then you can actually change the region override to try and connect through Brazil, Hong Kong, India, Japan, US Central, US East. There's a whole bunch of them. And oftentimes the number one way that Discord has of messing up your ability to connect and talk with other people is just not connecting you to the right server while another one is down and being uncertain how to do that due to some current ongoing issue with their network. Then when you're done, you can just set this back to automatic, and it'll automatically try to connect every single channel with all the people in it to the closest data center so that everything is as smooth and crystal clear for audio as humanly possible. The next thing to do is to just make sure inside of your user settings down here under voice that all of your different settings are correct and you're actually using the correct voice method. Sometimes you're actually connected and it just tells you that you're connected, but you're actually not. You can also check down here underneath of your little voice settings to make sure that you're actually properly connected. It'll tell you your current connection speed. And if you click on details, it'll actually tell you all the different ups and downs of your connection to make sure that you're currently having ongoing back and forth using the Discord servers. After that, sometimes you just need to flush your DNS and give your computer a quick restart. You can do that by going down to your search bar, typing in CMD, and hitting the command prompt. Inside the command prompt, you can type in ipconfig/flush DNS, and then it'll actually tell you that it flushed the DNS of saved different web connections that Windows has. Then you can either restart your computer or just your connection, and that makes it pretty easy. The next thing that you can do is that make sure you're actually connected to the proper network. Sometimes when you restart your computer, you don't notice, especially on updates, that it still sees your normal internet connection, but it doesn't want to connect to your internet connection. If that's the case, just go to the lower left corner and make sure you're properly connected to the internet. If for some reason you're connected to the internet and something is still messed up, you can also go upstairs and restart your router to make sure that your connection to the web is as good as it humanly possible. You can also restart your network stack if that is something that you feel is super important to do for you. And between all those different things, whatever was causing your network hiccup, especially after a computer restart, should have been able to fix things. If not, you're going to have to look at some different technical support to see if your internet's working correctly, and then you might need to actually contact Discord support from there to see if something's up or if it's just you. So that'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. But have a good one, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody.